Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have some AliExpress stuff here. 3 items. They are grab bag type things, so we'll see, fingers crossed. And I have to point the finger at Dolls Rescued and March Payne's Midlife Dolly Crisis, because they are the reasons why I got sucked into buying these. Even though, as you guys know, I'm trying to downsize. I have dolls that I'm selling on eBay. I have dolls I'm selling on Etsy. But these little guys were just so cute. They're really small. They're little miniature Blythe figurines from Hasbro. And let us see what I got. Hopefully they're not all going to be the same. I got 3 because I don't know, they weren't very expensive, and then if you bought a certain amount, then you got a little bit of a discount. So these are, as far as I know, I think there's, let's see, there's 4. I think there's like 8 different ones you can get. And I don't think we know, I don't know, this says Street Snap. You know what, hold on, I wonder, do they show you on the box what it is? And just when you order it, you don't know? No, so these all have the same box, it looks like. Well, they really, this is like some intense bubble wrap stuff here. Okay, yeah, they all have the same box, so we don't know what's in there. I do know from watching March and Marna's channels not to look at the sticker, because the sticker that's in here will tell me what's in the bag, and I don't want to know that till I open the bag. So, I mean, it's not that big a deal, but all right, so let me I'm just pulling out the bag, and of course that stuff. Oop. All right, I think I can just, nope. All right, hold on. I think they're all cute, so I really will be happy with any of them, but oh my gosh, how cute is she? So what is this exactly? Is she on here? Okay, she's the sports girl. Oh, maybe that's like a tennis racket in there or something? Yeah, so she's the sports girl, and she is adorable. Oh, and their little heads, oh. Yeah, so there's some movement in the head, and I believe there's a little stand in here. Yeah, so yeah, here's her little card, and then there's a little miniature stand. This is cute. I mean, definitely I have room on my shelf for tiny little dolls like this. Okay, all right, so all right, very happy with her. Hopefully I don't get her again. All right, let's open up another one here. Again, be careful that I don't show the sticker. Oh. Oh, orange hair. Woo! Oh my gosh. How cute is she? And there's some other little thing here. Oh, she has headphones. All right, so which one is she? Is the DJ BB. She's the DJ. So, I wonder, she's got these thingies on her head. I guess these are going to fit on her head. And then, of course, we have a stand again. So, let me take these little headphones out. And they're just, oh, they do have some movement to them, so they're rubbery. So, yeah, they fit right on her. Oh, my gosh. How adorable. Look at those little socks and shoes. And I guess this is the peg, the hole for the peg on the stand. And is there a sticker? Yeah. Is her sticker, or her little card, I should say. It's not a sticker. Oop. So we have 2 out of 3 so far. And let's see what's in, and that's her stand there. Let's see what's in box number 3. Fingers crossed. Now, if I had my choice out of all these, oh, she's really cute with the doggy. So we've got, still left is Epicurean. So what, she's supposed to be like a foodie type person. Happy Cola. I'm not sure what that means, but she's cute with the little jeans. Shopaholic, she's adorbs. Style Shutterbug. Oh, so she has a little camera. I have her. This says Vintage Style. Wonder why they don't show a picture of her. And then we've got Pink Bloom. It looks like she's sitting on a speaker, eating something on her tray. If I had my druthers out of all of these, I kind of think, oh, I don't know. I really like her. I really like her. Probably between these two, because I already have one doll with the purple hair. So either her or her is what I hope is in here. So we shall see what is in here. See, there's the box. Things boxed pretty nicely. See some pink. Oh, is it? No, it's the girl with the little doggy. Oh, how cute. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I like this one. I like this with the dog. And is that stuck on her hand? Can her arm doesn't move. Her head moves. I have to work on that dog leash there. It does kind of move a little bit. Okay. All right, so here's her card. Here's her little stand. I have to mess with this little doggy leash. The guy's like sitting. There we go. Maybe bend it a little bit. Oh, she's cute. Now, I'm very happy with all of these. How cute. Their eyes are really kind of interesting, too. I mean, I guess they're painted. They're not, no, they're inset. Oh my gosh. They have inset eyes. Those are not painted eyes. I just assumed they would be painted. Huh. Let me look at hers. And hers are side. So she's facing, her eyes are facing front. Her eyes are to the side. They are inset eyes. They're not painted. How interesting. And then this other girl, hers are going to the left. And their eyelashes kind of stick out a little bit. And are those like, they're plastic eyelashes. But those are inset eyes, guys. All right, let me put them on the stand and take a couple pictures at the end of this. You know what? Let me put it on the stand and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, here are the 3 little dollies together. A little bit of a bummer. I could not, for anything, get the hole, get this little peg in the hole in the back of this Chico or the back of this Chico. This one I managed after much effort. And this poor dog is like choking on his leash. So I twisted it and everything. I don't know. If you have any suggestions, let me know about how to get them on the pegs and what to do about this poor little dog. Maybe with some time and effort I can still get. I thought I had him, but she's on this stand. Let me turn her around. But very, like, if you sneeze on her, she'll probably fall over. So that's a little bit of a disappointment. You know, these dolls were less than $5 a piece, so I try to keep that in mind. But, you know, why give us a stand that doesn't work? Okay? That they don't fit on, okay? This gal, I had to actually put her head tilted because her feet, one is higher than the other. And so even though I have her leaning up against this, she had a hard time standing because of that. This gal is pretty decent as far as standing. I have her leaning up against the wall here. And I'll be able to find spots on my dolly shelf to fit them in without having to worry so much about the stands, I think. But like I said, it would have been nice to have stands that actually work for them. I mean, why make something that doesn't work? I don't understand that. Come on, doggy. Oh God, don't fall over, miss. Don't fall over. See? Yeah. So yeah, these stands are just about worthless. They're just about worthless. But these dolls are adorable, and yes, I am very tempted to get a few more, even though, of course, at this point, you know, who knows what I'll get. What are there? There's 5 more left that I don't have if I wanted to have all of them. And like I said, I want to say they were like $4 a piece or something like that, and no shipping charges once I purchased a certain number. So I don't know. I'll put them up on the dolly shelf. I'll try to find a spot. Not sure what to do with those little stands, but I'll try to find some space for them. They're so little. I obviously want to probably put them in with my Blythe dolls. They might actually look cute in I have a shelf that is my boho beach bungalow that I have quite a few Blythe dolls hanging out, and so that might be a cute spot for them. I'll have to see. And anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you gotten any of these gals? Do you have any tips for using these, what seems to be useless stands? And is there any hope for this dog? As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending a little dolly time with me. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.